Fixed Expressions Quiz 2. Read the sentence and choose the correct fixed expression from the options highlighted in bold text. Number 1. She grew up in London, but she blank lives there. She moved to Paris years ago. A. No longer. B. No later. C. No sooner. Answer is letter A. She grew up in London, but she no longer lives there. She moved to Paris years ago. Number 2. If you'd rather not go tonight, that's blank. I'm sick of parties anyway. A. Fine to me. B. Fine by me. C. Fine of me. Answer is letter B. If you'd rather not go tonight, that's fine by me. I'm sick of parties anyway. Number 3. My dad blank where his phone is, so I'm calling his number to help him find it. A. Hasn't a hint. B. Hasn't a clue. C. Hasn't a tip. Answer is letter B. My dad hasn't a clue where his phone is, so I'm calling his number to help him find it. Number 4. Wendy used to live with friends, but now she lives blank. A. In herself. B. On herself. C. By herself. Answer is letter C. Wendy used to live with friends, but now she lives by herself. Number 5. You might find the love of your life at the party. You, A. Never can tell. B. Must never tell. C. Never shall tell. Answer is letter A. You might find the love of your life at the party. You never can tell. Number 6. The pay is so low that it's blank. A. Worth my while. B. All worth it. C. Hardly worth it. Answer is letter C. The pay is so low that it's hardly worth it. Number 7. Do you prefer working with other people or working blank? A. On yourself. B. On your own. C. With your own. Answer is letter B. Do you prefer working with other people or working on your own? Number 8. I'm in a meeting now, but we're blank finished. Can I call you back? A. Just around. B. Just about. C. Just already. Answer is letter B. I'm in a meeting now, but we're just about finished. Can I call you back? Number 9. Someone's body injured, so please send an ambulance blank. A. At once. B. For once. C. All at once. Answer is letter A. Someone's body injured, so please send an ambulance at once. And number 10, last item. When you're on a date, don't try to be someone you're not, just blank. A. Be a nobody. B. Be somebody. C. Be yourself. Answer is letter C. Be yourself. When you're on a date, don't try to be someone you're not, just be yourself. This video ends here about Fixed Expressions 2.